crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday, and it's coming up New Year's 2020. Can you even believe it? Not me. It just seems like the years have flown by. Well, Paige, Stamp Girl, and I are doing a fancy folded card once a month, and this is it for the month of December. And I wanted to show you what I had done. Now, these are 4 different ways to do one fold, and let me show you that fold. This happens to be a 6 by 12 piece. It could be, most of these were A2 size cards. All you need to do is take whatever size card, fold it in half, and fold it again. That's the fold. Very, very simple. And I'll show you what I did with each of those. So this one, here's that fold, and then I just put a card on the inside and made it an extra fancy fold card. So you're just opening it up. Now you can fancy it up and embellish it however you like. You can put another piece of paper in there. You can write a sentiment in here. You can do however it is that you like, but basically it's that Z fold card is what this is called. And then I put a card on the inside. So you have two cards in one. Sort of. Okay. And I tried to not make these Christmassy, but wintry. So you could do them, and of course you can do them for any time of the year at all. The second one actually is a gift card, and it's the same thing, only instead of folding it out like this, I folded it inward, and I sealed up these ends, put a little thumb hole in here so that you could put a gift card, and you fold it like that. And so this is how I came up with that one. And here's your gift card, and you just put it in here. Isn't that cool? You could put some money in there, you can put a gift card in there, you can put a sentiment in there, and put a secret message in there. And so that's number 2. Number 3 is, it's a Z fold card, but it's a easel card. So this is exactly how you make an easel card. So you're taking that card, you're folding it in half and half again, and this is your easel mechanism. So as long as you put the other piece that matches this, and you're just attach it onto this fold here, and as long as you have a little stopper, that's an easel card. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? So that's number 3 Z fold card. And then this is the other one, and I just put a piece that's kind of covers the front. So this is a Let It Snow, and so I just attached this piece, actually the same way as you would for an easel card. That would be an easel card, but this is not an easel card. And so you're just opening it up in that way. So there you go, 4 different ways to use a Z fold card for our fancy folded card of December. And coming up is the new year in a few days, and I hope we all have a peaceful, blessed, healthy, happy New Year, and I will see you then. Bye-bye. Go craft.